I'm back, and it's the next day. Yesterday turned into a bit of a trial. What should have been a really simple job wasn't a simple job. And as I said to you at the beginning of this video, I've never changed a front diff on the car. I've done them engine on the bench plenty of times, but never while the engine's still in the car. And so although the principle is really, really straightforward, the reality is a nightmare. I now have a choice, because I can unbolt the diff from the side of the gearbox. I've done that, but there is no way to get it out from between the engine and the subframe and the chassis and the engine mounts and everything else. So the only way I'm going to do this is either take the engine out or take the subframe out, and I really don't have anything here to take the engine out at the moment, so we're going to take the subframe out. That means we need to put the brace in across the top of the engine, support the engine, undo the engine mounts, disconnect a few pipes and wires and bits and pieces, undo the 6 bolts that hold the subframe onto the chassis, and lower the subframe. I won't have to take it off completely, I just need to lower it. And then I'll be able to get the old diff out, put the new diff in, bolt it onto the side of the gearbox, and put the subframe back, lower the engine back onto the subframe, do up the engine mounts, reconnect all the pipes and wires, and put the drive shafts back in, put the suspension back on, put the brakes back on, put the wheels back on, and hopefully we'll be done. And you never know, that might happen. I might get that all done today. We'll see. Let's do it.